Hi, my name is Anthony Critelli and you're watching Beyond the README. In this video, I want to take a brief moment to introduce you to this channel, talk about my background, and talk a little bit about why I created this channel and the types of content you can expect on this channel. If you enjoy deep dives into complex technical topics, then I think you'll really enjoy some of the content I have lined up for this channel. So first, a little bit about me and what this channel is all about. So I've been working in IT for about 10 years now. I began my career as a network engineer, which has really shaped my approach to troubleshooting and my desire to peel back the layers of the onion, as I like to say. It's a pretty common thing that network engineers do when they troubleshoot. They often have to look at packet captures and really take deep dives into the technologies and protocols they're working with. Most of my work has been in infrastructure and cloud engineering, especially in the Linux space. That's really been my domain for the last several years. In my free time, I'm a regular contributor to the Red Hat Enable Sysadmin blog, and I also teach at the Rochester Institute of Technology, where I'm based, in Rochester, New York. Overall, I just really enjoy technical communication, diving deep into technical topics, and kind of the intersection of people and technology. I've been fortunate that my career has allowed me to both work on interesting technical problems, as well as work on communicating those problems to other people, whether those are internal or external stakeholders. So a bit about this channel. What is Beyond the README? Well, my inspiration came from this lack of what I would call 200 level or advanced content on the internet. You'll find plenty of videos and articles that introduce you to the basics of a technology or walk you through some simple tutorial, but there's really not a lot of content geared toward making you really understand the technology you're working with. And I think that's extremely important if you want to really be successful in the tech field. Overall, I just really enjoy taking complicated topics and breaking them into their individual components so I can understand them better. That's what helps me learn, and I found that it helps a lot of other people learn too. Finally, everybody has their way of contributing back to the overall tech community. For some, that's writing code, for others, documentation. For me, it's always been producing blog articles and documenting my findings to help others learn. So what can you expect out of this channel? We'll take some deep dives into interesting technical topics to really understand how things work under the hood, decompose them, learn how we can tune and troubleshoot and configure technologies beyond the basics. Just like the name of the channel suggests, we're going beyond the README. We'll look at everything from Ansible to Linux to Kubernetes to Vault, all kinds of different technologies to help you better understand what's going on with these tools. We'll also take the time to look at advanced features of basic tools, and I'll also introduce you to some tools that I find interesting. We'll cover both traditional and contemporary systems administration topics. I use the term systems administration to kind of encompass all of these other job titles that we've come up with in this industry. DevOps, SRE, platform engineering, really all of these operational activities that we engage in. You can expect coverage of traditional things like Linux fundamentals and web service fundamentals, all the way through operating Kubernetes. So with all that said, let's get started. Take the time to subscribe to the channel and share the content with others, and I'll see you on the first video. Thanks for joining me.